In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents in Zoho Books. If you're looking to keep your records organized and reduce manual data entry, this simple workflow will help you bring bills, invoices, receipts, and other supporting documents into your accounting system quickly and accurately. Start by heading to the left-hand pane inside Zoho Books and clicking on Documents. This is your central hub for all files related to your bookkeeping. It's designed to store and manage the paperwork that supports your transactions, so everything is easy to find when you need it. Once you're in the Documents area, select Upload. This opens your device's file picker so you can choose the document you want to bring in. Pick the file you've saved. PDFs and common image formats typically work well, and confirm your selection. As soon as the file finishes uploading, Zoho Books will automatically run its auto-scan software. This is where the real time saver kicks in. AutoScan examines the document and extracts key details it can recognize, such as vendor names, dates, totals, taxes, and invoice or bill numbers. It's designed to read standard layouts you'd find on bills, invoices, and receipts, and then document that information into your Zoho Books data, helping you avoid typing everything by hand. What counts as a suitable document? Think of the paperwork you usually keep for your accounting. Purchase bills from suppliers, sales invoices, and proof of payment receipts. Clear, well-lit files work best. If you're scanning paper, try to keep the page flat, reduce shadows, and ensure the text is legible. AutoScan can only read what it can clearly see, so crisp images improve accuracy. You may notice a brief processing period while AutoScan does its work. That's normal. If it can't recognize every single piece of information, don't worry. The document is still stored safely in your Documents area, and the extracted data it does find will be available to reference. The important part is that your source file is now inside Zoho Books, ready to support your bookkeeping tasks. To recap, the process is straightforward. Open Documents on the left panel, select Upload, and let AutoScan capture the details from your bills, invoices, receipts, and similar documents. Keeping your paperwork in one place makes your accounting cleaner, faster, and easier to audit. That's all you need to get your documents into Zoho Books and put AutoScan to work for you.